You've heard the buzzword blockchain, but what's the story behind these digital chains? Flashback to 1991. Researchers devised a technique to timestamp digital documents, ensuring they remain tamper-proof. Think of it as a digital notary. But this concept remained dormant until 2009, when someone named Satoshi Nakamoto gave it a new purpose. Enter the era of Bitcoin. A blockchain is a transparent digital ledger, open to anyone and almost impossible to tamper with. Every block has data, like transaction details in Bitcoin, its unique hash. Think of it as a digital fingerprint, and then also the hash of its predecessor, connecting them all in a chain. But there's a catch. Modern computers can modify a block and quickly recalculate hashes. So, blockchains introduced proof of work, a mechanism that intentionally slows down the addition of new blocks. For Bitcoin, it's a hefty 10-minute task. Tamper with a block. You'll be recalculating for every block after that. Time-consuming, right? And there's more! Blockchains aren't stored in one place. They're decentralized, spread across a vast peer-to-peer network. Every member has a complete copy. When a block is added, everyone verifies it. Consensus is key. If the majority disagrees with a block, it's discarded. To tamper with a blockchain, you'd need to change all its blocks, redo their proof of work, and control over half the network. An almost Herculean task. Blockchains keep evolving. Enter smart contracts. These are mini programs stored on the blockchain, automating actions based on predefined conditions. And it doesn't stop there. From medical records, digital notaries, to even tax systems, the potential is vast. So, that's blockchain technology in a nutshell for you. A marvel of digital engineering, not just the backbone of cryptocurrencies. Stick around for more insights on blockchains and what you can do with them. That's all for today. Tune into our videos online or on TV to learn more about blockchain technologies and how you can use them to achieve real-world impact. An education initiative by Ceylon.